Hello, my name's Tom Reiss from SAP Design Product Management, and I'd like to show you how S/4HANA helps people in procurement get their jobs done more easily. So in procurement, of course, I want to make sure I'm not spending too much on my materials. And a good way of ensuring that is to negotiate contracts with suppliers. So the system is actually telling me here that I seem to be having quite a lot of spend outside of contracts. So let's have a look here at this app that gives me an overview of materials that are being bought without contracts. So here you can see, I see in the chart here where the contracts exist. Those are the green bubbles. The system is actually making me a proposal. So these are the ones it's not proposing, and the blue ones are the ones it's proposing. Now, if you look here at the axis, you've got the total gross amount. So obviously, the more you're spending, the more relevant it is to actually get a contract to cover it. And similarly, if you've got a lot of purchase order items, then that's also an indication. And if we look at the top right here, indeed, the top ranked one is in fact this one here, as you might think. Now, in fact, the system is not just taking these two parameters into account, the total gross amount and the number of items. If you click on the ranking, you actually get an explanation. So you have these two here, but also how long have you been ordering it for, or the number of suppliers, or is it still relevant, i.e. the days since the last order. These are all taken into account and then used to produce this ranking. So the system basically is being intelligent. It's showing you a proposal, and you can just, let's say, take the top 4, for example, and then simply click here on the Create RFQ to take those 4 into a request for quotation so that you can start negotiating with the supplier on a good price. So as you can see, with S/4HANA, you can get your work done much easier. Thank you.